bébé, pardon. Tu ne veux plus de moi, non.
So I'm going to be using my brow gel from Microbladed. This is how it looks. It's brown in color. I'm using this small right angle brush. So I'm just brushing my brows with this spoolie. It's all about making your brows to look natural, guys. So next I'm going into this small right angle brush and I'm just trying to define my brow to give it like the shape of the brow that I want. So that's what I'm actually doing right now. After that, I'm just going to fill in my brows lightly. Guys, if you want your brows to look like they have microbladed it, you want to be very extremely careful, and especially applying it on the front. You're not like filling the whole brow. When you get to the front, you start doing like strokes in front. The next you go into your spoolie and you try to brush everything to see how that looks, and if it looks good, you are good to go. Next I'm going into this flat concealer brush from Zoeva. I got this brush from Baby Vanu on Instagram. Just check her page out, guys. She has amazing stuff. So I'm just trying to make my brows to look neat, and I'm just cleaning that with the concealer that I used to highlight my face. You can use any concealer of your choice. Then this step is actually not compulsory, it's actually optional. I don't always do this, but I kind of had an error there, so I needed to clean up the upper part of my brows for it to look neat and nice. So next, after doing all of that, I'm going to go into my clean eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just trying to blend out the concealer that I have under my eye and on top of my eyebrow and under my eyebrow and by my eyebrow to just make everything look clean and nice. Ooh, damn, these brows are on flick. So next I'm just going into my concealer brush and I'm just trying to make the front part of my brows to look more natural. Then going into my brow gel from Kiss Beauty, I'm just going to apply that onto my eyes real quickly, and then that's it, guys. How are my brows? Rate my brows, guys. Rate them. Rate them. Please, brow game. 100.